Hello, good morning. I am Abbas. I will be taking the Python class, and this is the 15 days summer boot camp on Python. So we have discussed what is Python. That take us to discuss the programming language, okay? And we discuss the application of Python, and we concluded our class with career prospects for somebody that study Python and able to write code in Python language. So in this class, we start with installation of the soft Python compiler or interpreter. So to do that, go to Google or Edge, open your browser and type Python download. So when it open, you can see you click on download Python. My internet is a little bit slow, but we go with that. Okay. Now Python has versions. So the present version we have is Python 13.13, sorry, 3.13.5. That is the latest version of Python. But I have this on my system. So for the sake of the study, you will download this, click on this, and it's going to download. If you click on it like this, we start downloading. You can see in my own case now, but I'm going to use Python 11. Go down, you have other version of Python, so that I can take us down. So sorry for that. So let's take a look at Python 3.1211. Let me download this. Okay. This is only source file, sorry. See this. I'm looking for the installer. This one still have source. Okay, I'm coming. This one can I use? Look what this. Okay. Let me go with the one I've downloaded before because it's giving me, it's taking more time. So when you finish downloading, open the file in your download. So it's asking me to upgrade Python, but in yours it's going to show you install. So I'm going to click on it and go next. So it's installing, but in your case, because I've installed before, it's going to show us to, you have to click on parts. You have to click that part. So it's installing. I will pause the video now to continue back later. I don't want the video to be too long. I want it to be very, very short. So I will pause now. Let's see, installing. Okay, installation is coming up. Okay, so after Python finish installing,